Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover string. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover basics of string. We can use string literal to create string. Or, we can use new keyword to create string. We can display string using system.out.println. We can format the string using system.out.printf. Or, using string.format. In the next program, I am going to cover string length. We can get length of string using string_name.length. In the next program, I am going to cover copy character array into string. We can copy the character array into string using copy value of function. Or, we can copy part of character array into string with second parameter as starting position and third parameter as length of string. In the next program, I am going to cover copy string into character array. We can copy string into character array using getChars function with first parameter as source starting position, second parameter as source end position, third parameter as destination character array, and fourth parameter as destination beginning position. If the length of character array is not sufficient to hold string, index out of bounds exception will be thrown. In the next program, I am going to cover string encoding. We can encode string with default encoding using getBytes function without any parameter. Or, we can encode by providing encoding type as parameter. If the encoding provided is not supported, unsupported encoding exception will be thrown. In the next program, I am going to cover string concatenation. We can concatenate two strings into one string using addition operator. Or, using string concatenation function. In the next program, I am going to cover string comparison. We can compare strings using comparative function. If first string is greater than second string, then the function returns positive value. If the first string is less than second string, then the function returns negative value. Else, function returns 0. We can compare strings, ignoring case, using compare to ignore case function. We can check whether strings are same, using content equals, or equals, or equals ignore case, or matches function. We can compare part of the string region, using region matches, with first parameter as ignore case, second parameter as source offset, third parameter as string name, fourth parameter as target offset, and fifth parameter as length. Also, we can omit first parameter that is ignore case. In the next program, I am going to cover string empty check. We can check whether string is empty or not using isEmpty function. In the next program, I am going to cover string replace. We can use replace function to replace character, or to replace string. We can use replace all function to replace all occurrence of character or string. Also, we can replace only first occurrence using replace first function. In the next program, I am going to cover string split and join. We can use split function to split string by specifying delimiter. Also, we can specify number of substring or limit as parameter. We can use join function to join substring into string with first parameter as delimiter. In the next program, I am going to cover string tokenizing. We need to import string tokenizer from java.util package. I have created string tokenizer st by providing string and delimiter space as parameter. We can use has more tokens to check whether there are any tokens left, and next token to get next token. In the next program, I am going to cover searching substring and string. We can use ends with function to check whether string is ending with specified substring. We can use starts with function to check whether the string is starting with specified substring. Also, we can specify position to start looking for substring. We can get position of occurrence of first substring in string using index of function. Also, we can specify starting position for searching. We can get position of last occurrence of substring in string using last index of function. Also, we can specify ending position for searching. In the next program, I am going to cover substring and string. We can use subsequence function to get substring from string by specifying starting position and ending position. Or, we can use substring function by specifying starting position and ending position. If we skip ending position, substring starting from starting position till end will be retrieved. In the next program, I am going to cover searching character in string. We can get position of occurrence of first character in string using index of function. Also, we can specify starting position for searching. We can get position of last occurrence of character in string using last index of function. Also, we can specify ending position for searching. In the next program, I am going to cover string character accessing. We can use char@. function for accessing character from string. We need to pass location as parameter to function. In the next program, I am going to cover string hash code. We can use hash code function to get hash code value of string. In the next program, I am going to cover string intern. We can use intern function to copy one string into another string. New string will be stored in string constant pool area. Hence, if we compare new string with old string using equality operator, it will not match. However, we can match the strings using equals function. In the next program, I am going to cover string conversion. We can use to char array function to convert string into character array, to string function to convert to string, to lowercase function to convert to lowercase, to uppercase function to convert to uppercase, trim function to remove leading and trailing spaces. Also, we can use value of function to convert data from other data type to string. In the next program, I am going to cover string buffer class. String buffer class is same as string class, except string buffer is mutable or changeable. I have created string buffer SB. We can append string using append function. Insert substring at particular location using insert function. Replace character or substring using replace function. Delete characters from particular position to particular position using delete function. Reverse string using reverse function. Check capacity using capacity function. Ensure capacity using ensure capacity function. Get character at particular position using char@. function. Length of string using length function. Get substring using substring function. In the next program, I am going to cover string builder class. String builder class is same as string buffer class, except string builder is non-synchronized. I have created string builder SB. We can append string using append function. Insert substring at particular location using insert function. Replace character or substring using replace function. Delete characters from particular position to particular position using delete function. Reverse string using reverse function. Check capacity using capacity function. Ensure capacity using ensure capacity function. Get character at particular position using char@. function. Length of string using length function. Get substring using substring function. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Java Program Interview Questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.